Hello, good evening, everyone. Hope you are doing well. In the meanwhile, when other attendees join, let's give a brief introduction about myself. So, myself, Priyanka Prajapati, working in capacity of product sales. And today's session will be conducted by Mr. Afan Khan, is the Business Development Manager of Rajlakshmi Solutions Private Limited. Since everybody expected has joined for the session, let's begin the webinar without any delay. On behalf of Rajlakshmi Solutions Private Limited, I would like to welcome all the attendants present here. Today's session is going to about SAP Business One. So before moving forward to the topic, let's take an introduction of Rajlakshmi Solutions. Rajlakshmi Solutions Private Limited is into various segments to serve its customers like sales, services, solutions, implementations, and development. We are the partner of multiple OEM like 5-star Tally certified partner, gold partners for Bitrix, channel partners for Great HR, and channel partner for SAP Business One. So, moving forward with the topic, Mr. Afan Khan will give you the insight of the products and also we welcome Mr. Bhagwati sir. So, I request Mr. Afan sir to move forward with this.
So, to start off, I would like to give a brief introduction about what exactly SAP is all about. SAP is integrated and used on a large scale by production, manufacturing, FMCGs, and different retail kind of companies. SAP is basically one of the most widely used products, wherein especially production and manufacturing industries use them. So, starting off with the presentation, I would like to start off and give you a gist. Why should we step up from Tally to SAP B1? Okay. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. It's a type of software system that integrates various core processes. Like in manufacturing, there are different core processes like purchasing, then inventory management, and then finance, human resource, supply chain, customer relations, everything. So these are the basic of ERP. So to integrate that, we use SAP. Okay. Moving ahead, the primary goal of ERP system is to streamline and automate these processes, allowing the organizations to operate more efficiently, make better decisions, and improve overall productivity. So here what happens when a manufacturing unit is in another location, like in Pune, and the head office is in Bombay. So the communication between these two offices is very smooth due to the SAP B1 segment. There are various processes in between like manufacturing, supply chain, customer relation. So to make that process more simpler, if we have SAP B1 integration with the company, we can go ahead and make the production and decision making will be much more easier as it is a single layer platform for that. SAP B1 and Tally ERP are both popular ERP systems used by business, but they have some difference in terms of features, target audience, and scalability. Here's a comparison. Starting off with business size. See, primarily Tally targeted at small to medium sized business. Okay. Same way, if we go on to SAP B1, suitability for small to mid-sized enterprise, SME, what it is usually called, and subsidiaries of large enterprises. Large enterprises can be subsidiary of Tata, Birla, Ambuja Cement, and all that. Scalability. Limited scalability might not be suitable for large enterprises. Just like if a company is starting with around, I can say 10 crores, the turnover of the company is 10 crores. But if that company is going on and making huge profits and going on to 100 crores, that is the point where the company will say, okay, now is the time I want to go for SAP B1 because the process, the customer management team and everything has increased. So that is the time we need to go for SAP B1. This is a basic classic example that how we need to approach the customer. Okay, functionality. Basic accounting functionalities with limited modules for inventory, payroll, and taxation. Here is the catch. Usually people say ki we are okay with Tally, we don't want to go for SAP B1. But here they fail to understand that the functionality is limited for inventory management, because one of the company who's starting from an SKU of around say 1000, and it will go up to 10,000. So 10,000 SKUs maintaining in Tally is not at all possible. So for that, he has to upgrade his system to SAP B1. The same way payroll, as the SKU will increase, the company size will increase, the employees in the companies will increase. That is the time he will be needing payroll management for SAP B1. Same with taxation. Taxation, why I am saying that? Because it is globally accepted. There are different globalization and localization which is available for SAP B1. For example, one company is located in India, another company is located in China and UK. So the taxation is quite different in all of these regions. So SAP B1 will automatically take the local taxation and calculate all the stuff. Next comes integration. Limited integration capabilities with other software systems. I think you guys must have already known this. There is very limited capacity of Tally to integrate with other software systems. And where you compare it to SAP B1, it offers a robust integration capabilities with third-party application and business system. Okay, here I can say that if a company is using an X software, okay, and he wants to integrate that with SAP B1, that can be done very, very easily. This is the beauty of this product. Next, customization. Limited customization options, mainly through TDL, Tally Definition Language. On the other hand, highly customizable with extensive configuration options and software development kit for developers. Here it is, I can say, you take a 10-liter capacity of a bottle and you take a 100-liter capacity of bottle. So in that 10-liter capacity, only 10 liters water will be available, whereas when you go for 100-liter capacity, for example, SAP B1, you have filled that 100 liters with 10 liters. So there are various levels that you can go up to 100. So this is the basic description that can be said when it comes to SAP B1. Now, Tally versus SAP B1. Features, reporting and analytics. Basic reporting features with limited customization option that I have already covered. Advanced reporting and analytical tool with customizable dashboard and drill down capabilities. Here what happens when a company is in what you call manufacturing unit or a production unit. So there are different segments. There are different units that are working with that company. So when Tally is being used, there are very limited capacities of Tally for customization. When I come to SAP B1, there are a lot of drill downs, there are a lot of options that can be done, that customizable dashboard and reporting and project management, CRM and everything. Okay. Then comes compliance and regulations. Basic support for regulatory compliance with limited built-in features. I hope you understand. Limited built-in features. That's what I was talking about. Comprehensive support for compliance with local accounting standards, tax regulation and industry-specific regulations. I hope you remember I spoke some time back that there are localization taxation available in SAP B1. This is the same thing that is being spoken about here. Okay. Next comes user interface. Simple and user-friendly interface suitable for non-technical users. Here is something where Tally is actually feasible and acceptable for many users because it is very user-friendly. It can be taught at a very short span of time. If someone wants to use Tally, they can go ahead. Whereas when you come to SAP V1, modern and intuitive interface with easy navigation and usability. SAP B1 is not that difficult, but still you need to have a bit of technical knowledge and depth in order to use SAP B1. There are special consultant and functional consultants who take care of the SAP B1. Support and maintenance. Limited support options with primary community forums and local support partners. I would like to correct this thing. Not local partners, but as we are one of the partners for Tally and we are quite reputed partners. So yes, we do provide a very good and healthy support to our customers. And comparing to SAP B1, which is globally and internationally accepted, comprehensive support and maintenance services offered by SAP and its partner net. Okay, I hope you got this. Comprehensive support and maintenance services offered by SAP and its partner net. This is the thing. Global reach. Primarily used in India and some other countries. So I would say it's like a made in India product. Okay, Tally. So its reachability is not spread across the globe. Yeah, it is used, but not across the globe. Whereas when you come to SAP B1, it is used globally with support for multiple languages, currencies, and legal requirements. Okay, so one can be using one in China or South Africa or Slovenia, wherever. Next, functionality and features of SAP B1. Multi-currency support enables transactions in multiple currencies for global business operations, streamlining sales, purchase, and financial reports. It is clearly said that when you use SAP B1, it's a common hub for different functionalities. Okay, it imbibes all the reports of different languages, different global operations, and streamlines that into one and gives a master report to the user. This can be done. Localization. Tailored packages ensure compliance with local regulations, simplifying process across regions. Tailored packages ensuring compliance with local regulations. This is the beauty of this thing. Multi-language support allows users to work in preferred languages, enhancing collaboration and productivity. Like in India, if someone is working in Punjab, okay, and someone is working in Kerala, so there might be some kind of language barrier working with that. But in SAP, you give a multiple language options which can be preferred and used by different kind of individuals. Global supply chain management facilitates global sourcing, procurement, and distribution for optimized operation. Facilitates global sourcing and procurement. Just like cross-country patching, this is the thing. Facilitates global sourcing, procurement. Procurement is a part of sourcing and distribution for optimized operation. Global partner network offers expert assistance and support service in local language and time zone for global deployment. It offers assistance and support in local languages, just I spoke sometime back, and time zone for global deployment. So different global and time zones can be integrated and matched in SAP B1, and they can be deployed in such a way that the company's operations cannot be hampered and will not be. Next, CRM. One of the important features that each and every business nowadays needs, customer relationship management, which is very important. Comprehensive customer view. SAP B1 centralized database stores detailed customer information, empowering teams with holistic view for personalized experience. It is very well said that if we have a complete database of different customers, okay, we need to have that in such a way that can be accessed and that can be viewed in different languages and format, which is available. Streamlined sales process. CRM functionalities in SAP B1 optimized lead tracking, pipeline management, order fulfillment, enhancing sales, effective revenue growth. See, here it is completely telling about sales process. It's like punching, it's like pre-sales, understanding the customer's needs, delivering him the solution or the product. After the delivery, the support part. It's completely used for enhancing the sales and revenue growth, which is an important part of any organization and can be managed very effectively with SAP B1. Next, effective marketing campaigns. Plan, execute, and analyze marketing campaigns effective with SAP B1, improving ROI and customer engagement through targeted communication. Here, it is said that once a company's growth is dependent on marketing, okay, sales is different and marketing is different. And when it comes to marketing, it is very important because it has a global reach. You just with one click, you can go ahead and share whatever you want across the globe. So here you can plan and execute and analyze marketing campaigns in SAP B1. This is the beauty of this product. You can actually plan a marketing campaign. For example, tomorrow, if I plan there is a called AMC week or AMC month for the company, I can just flourish that across the cross domains in my company and say कि चलो आज हम लोग ये करते हैं हम लोग ये पूरा मंथ है AMC मंथ करेंगे. So that will be marketed across all social media platforms that can be integrated with SAP B1. Next comes advanced analytics. Utilize powerful reporting tools in SAP B1 to analyze CRM data, track KPI, and derive actionable insight for continuous improvement. Here it is that when there are different processes in the company, that process needs to be monitored each and every time. So here you can generate and develop different analytical reports of different process like sales, marketing, support, and everything. So you get a complete integrated report, a bifurcated report in which there will be all the data mentioned. Like this is the thing that sales is in performing. This is the data of the marketing which has been performing. This is the data of support which is performing. These are all the things which is covered in advanced analytics. Next, procurement management. One of the most important part in any production and manufacturing unit, procurement. Effective procurement. SAP B1 automates procurement process from requisition to payment. Okay, reducing manual effort and improving with electronic approvals. Here it is well said that if your procurement is perfect, half of the cost of the company is already covered there. Okay, here in procurement, it is simply defined. Once the process is set for procurement in SAP B1, it will automatically streamline all the process, right from purchasing of any product to getting it in the company and streamlining the electronic invoice and everything. That will be streamlined in the procurement part. Supplier management. Comprehensive tool in SAP B1 manages suppliers' information, evaluates performance, and negotiates contracts, strengthening vendor relations. Here in SAP B1, there are predefined compliance that you can set, which will be interacting automatically to negotiate the contracts, to evaluate the performance of supplier, okay, and informations that can be managed. Cost control. SAP V1 enables better negotiation, volume discounts, and real-time spend visibility, identifying cost-saving opportunities and optimizing procurement. Here it is very, very clear that it is everything AI controlled. Okay, once you predefine the laws of AI, they are automatically generated and they converse with the system and make the decision accordingly after approvals. Compliance and risk management. Built-in controls, approval workflows, and audit trials in SAP B1 ensures compliance, mitigating risk related to fraud and non-fraud compliance. See here, it is very clear. Once you work with SAP B1, you have to be very, very rigid with the compliance law. Once you have defined the law and it is globally accepted, that will not change. SAP is very, very serious about compliance issues. This is what you need to understand. Next comes inventory management. Real-time inventory management. Real-time inventory visibility. SAP B1 offers real-time insight to inventory levels, location, movement, empowering managers to optimize stock level and meet customer demand promptly. In this, I would like to give you an example. For example, if a company has 8 different warehouses at 8 different locations, so managing them manually or through some other software will be quite difficult. But once you integrate software like SAP B1, you will be, that will be available at a click of a button, because it will all be system integrated and that will be generated automatically, all the stock and inventory that you have. Multi-location management, I just covered that, different kind of location. Batch and serial tracking, that again comes under inventory management. Trace items throughout the supply chain effortlessly with SAP B1 robust tracking capability, ensuring compliance and enhancing product safety. Here, it is very well said. Once you have different locations, for example, 8 different locations with one location having 1000 SKUs, so 8 different locations will be having 8000 SKUs. So tracking 8000 different SKUs at 8 different locations is quite difficult. So SAP B1 comes in picture and he's like, I'll take care of that, you relax. This is the thing that SAP actually does. Next comes inventory valuation methods. Choose from various valuation methods like FIFO, LIFO, and weighted average cost in SAP B1 in allowing with accounting practice and business needs. These are the terms which are basically used for weighting average cost and aligning the same average cost to practice B1 and business needs. Next, MRM report, MRP report, Material Requirement Planning, Unified Business Process. SAP B1 integrates sales, finance, purchasing, inventory, and production, streamlining operations, enhancing efficiency. In short, it takes care of the whole process at one go. It can be streamlined very smoothly once you start using SAP B1. Next comes robust reporting tool. SAP B1 offers powerful reporting and analytical, including real-time dashboard and predictive analytical, enabling informed decision-making growth. Here, robust reporting tools is like once you start a manufacturing of a product, okay, there comes a time when there is some glitch or some catch in the manufacturing part. So here, an automatic report can be generated. Where is that catch? Where is the glitch? And according to that, you can reschedule or rework your production process in that way. Because of the robust reporting tool or analytical tool which you will get. Enable decision making. Centralized data and real-time visibility in SAP B1 empowers quick response to market changes, trend identification, and growth opportunity seizing. Here, what happens when you have the complete data? I like to add here, data is a gold mine. If you have data for each and everything, you can do wonders. So SAP B1 gives you data reports of each and every process that is in your company. It's already predefined in the segment. So once you get a complete data of different segments or different process, it's very easy for you to analyze where and what should be done and what decision should be taken in order to reduce the cost, increase the revenue, or increase the production and reduce the delivery time. These are the beauty of enhanced decision making. Next, production planning. Integrated production planning. SAP B1 enables organizations to plan and schedule production based on demand forecast, inventory levels, and resource availability, ensuring smooth execution. Integrated production planning. Very, very simple. Planning a production according to the company standards and integrating that into SAP B1 so that the process can be smooth. Very simple. Next, bill of material, BOM. Centralized BOM storage in SAP B1 ensures consistency, reduces errors, and facilitates customization in various manners. Now, when you start a production process, you need to finalize the BOM, that's bill of material. Okay, once you finalize that on different locations, it can be integrated in one, and in the same way, the production process becomes smooth because of the integration. Resource optimization. Next, SAP B1 optimizes resource utilization by providing visibility into capacities, labor, and material lending, leading to improved efficiency and cost saving. Again, once the process is centralized, be it a production process or employee management process or whatever process, once the process is centralized, the management of the whole thing becomes very, very easy. So in short, SAP B1 gives you a gist of things like it is a centralized process to manage your business. Okay. Quality control. SAP B1 includes quality control functionalities for defining standards, performing inspections, and tracking issues through production, ensuring compliance and customer satisfaction. Here, quality controls can be defined by the customer itself, what kind of quality controls or quality check it needs, and the compliance can be defined by the company itself. It depends on various companies, whatever definitions they have. Costing and financial integration. SAP B1 integrates production with financial management for tracking cost, analyzing profitability, and gaining insight to business performance. Here, you have a very great opportunity. Usually, what happens, I have a different software for F&A, finance and accounting, and different software for production. So integrating both the software sometimes is quite difficult because cross-domain connection hampers our work sometimes because of some language problem or the coding error or something. But here in SAP B1, both can be integrated in such a way that you have a smooth functioning, all the analytical reports, so that the cost of production can be controlled and the financial management can be done on a very, very smooth way. Next come finance and controlling. Integrated financial management. SAP B1 offers a complete suite of financial tools integrating general ledger, accounts, receivable, payable, cash management, and reporting for seamless data flow and accurate financial. Basically, whatever Tally has done, it is doing in an enhanced way. Very simple. Streamline accounting. Again, the word streamline accounting is very clear. Automate general entries, bank reconciliation, and financial closing in SAP B1, reducing manual efforts and errors, thus enhancing efficiency. Budgeting and forecasting, again, related to finance, SAP B1 supports budgeting and forecasting, aiding in creating, monitoring, and analyzing budgets and forecast to align financial goals with strategic objectives. Like I said before, if you have a software which can give you budgeting and softwaring forecast where the production process is input and the costing of the production is input and the budgeting and forecast is input from the FNA. Once you integrate that, you get a very, very beautiful report. This is the project that has been going on and this is the costing which will be given, and you can control your FNAs accordingly. Scalability and flexibility. From small businesses to mid-sized enterprises, SAP B1 scales to accommodate growing organizations and offer flexibility for configuration, customization to meet specific finance and accounting needs. Here it is said that for small and mid-sized enterprise, SAP B1 scales to accommodate growing. Here it means once a company, just like I started, if a company is turnover is around 10 crores and it is going on a turnover of 100 crores, that is the time the company should be thinking, now is the time we should go for SAP B1 because we are growing. And once you grow, you need to have SAP B1 with you. That's all for today. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Afghan sir, for your wonderful presentation and productive session. So it's time for overview of the today's session. So it's over to you, Bhagwati sir.
Hi, good evening everyone. So today's session is regarding the SAP Business Insight of the SAP Business One Solutions. So most of the people are using in India Tally, but in the complex scenario, multiple branches, multiple way of the data analytics, and huge level of the customization according to business need. They have need a one ERP solutions. So as you know very well, SAP Business One is a leading ERP system in the world. So as we are a partner of the SAP Business One, we are providing end-to-end solutions like licensing, implementation, training, support, integration, customization, and number of the solutions we are providing with the multiple type of the customer, multiple type of the various type of the industries and verticals. So if I need any type of the live demonstration of the product, definitely you can contact with us. We are here for your supports. Then you make a decision if this product is fit for you or not. So that's it from today's sessions. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for your valuable time, sir.
Thank you so much, everyone, for listening so patiently. Thank you so much. Have a great day.